Hey going guys, it's Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today behind me I'm working on this Windsor Caravan. Now it's come into us for insurance damage to both sides and the roof. So far I've just removed all the extrusions, removed all the windows and fittings to the side of the van. We've stripped all the sheeting off and cleaned the framework. Now on the other side I've already resheeted the side, so we'll skip to it in a second and you'll be able to see all the work that we've all done. So now the process I'm doing right now is just making sure that we're cutting all the sizes, the sheets to size, and then gluing them and securing them to the side. So if you guys have any questions on how we repair these vans, give us a call and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks guys.